Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the E-Lynx LED Auto Color Changing Bulb. This LED Auto Color Changing Bulb is suitable for indoor and outdoor art illumination. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. The lifespan of this LED Auto Color Changing Bulb is more than or equal to 30,000 hours. Guys, let's test this LED Auto Color Changing Bulb. This LED Auto Color Changing Bulb has 7 changing colors, and the time interval of color change for this LED Auto Color Changing Bulb is about 3 seconds.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stop.
Please like,
all the squad here to play, and I've got some
comment,
to say, yeah. I work hard
and subscribe.
every day. I get lost in the words I say.